Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace the brake disc and brake pads on a third generation Hyundai Tucson, which was built starting from 2015. To replace the brake disc and pads, you don't need many tools, just the basics. A spanner for the wheel nuts, a jack to lift the car, a 14 and 17 mm socket spanner, a Phillips screwdriver, and a hammer. It's also very helpful to have a brake piston compressor tool, but it's not absolutely necessary. In the video description, you will find a link to another video that shows several different methods to compress the brake pistons without a dedicated tool. Now that you know what tools you need and what to expect, let's get started. Step 1. Loosen the wheel nuts. Before lifting the car, slightly loosen the wheel nuts. Just a little. Don't remove them yet. Step 2. Prepare for lifting. Make sure everything is safe. Engage the handbrake and place something under the rear wheels, like wedges or bricks, to prevent the car from moving. Step 3. Jack up the car. Use the jack and place it in correct jacking point under the car. This is very important. Placing the jack in the wrong spot can cause permanent damage. Once the jack is correctly positioned, lift the car. Step 4. Remove the wheel. Now unscrew the wheel nuts completely and remove the wheel. For safety, place the removed wheel under the car near the jack, just in case. Step 5. Remove the brake caliper. To remove the brake caliper, also called the brake piston assembly, use the 14 mm socket spanner. A socket spanner is preferred for this task. Once you remove the bolts, carefully take off the caliper. Use a hook or place its safety nearby, but do not let it hang by the brake hose, as that can damage it. While you are holding the brake caliper, now is a good time to compress the pistons. As I mentioned earlier, you can find a video showing different methods without special tools by clicking the message in the top corner or check the link in the description if it doesn't appear. Step 6. Remove the brake caliper bracket. Use the 17 mm socket spanner to remove the brake caliper bracket. Step 7. Remove the brake disc. Next, unscrew the two small Phillips screws holding the brake disc in place. Then, remove the disc. Usually, you will need a bit of help from a hammer. Lightly tap the disc to loosen it, but be careful not to damage the screws. Once it's loose, you can remove the old disc by hand. Step 8. Install the new parts. Now the removal part is done. It's time to install the new brake disc and pads. This part is much easier than removing the old ones, so good luck. If you need more help, feel free to watch the full video, and please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY car repair content.